Right, we have a hurricane due tomorrow, and it's coming in now. It's just running up to the west of us, so I'm taking advantage of the dry. I'm back in the horse field, just around here by the trashy area. Full of trash here, but there's a dog tag. Obviously World War II. The dog's name is Nigger, which is definitely not PC these days. Yes, I got the Georgian coins coming up sort of down that section, so I've come up here by the wall, and there we go, there's another George. That's George 3, I think it's an 1806. I can't tell, they're pretty grotty in this ground. It can't be a penny, the reading wasn't high enough. It's just a disc. Oh, 1920... 1921. 3? Maybe? George 5 penny. Hey, I've got him a horseshoe. Oh, half penny. 1850. Just can't make out that last digit there. 1850. Ooh, 9 maybe? 8? Very smooth. Now that's Georgian, but I don't know what. It's smooth. Smooth as anything. I'm in by the gates here, absolutely full of rubbish. I've just picked up half a dozen bronze clips. We got a... get this in there. I think it's 38. Ship halfpenny. 10p. Makes a change from all the clips I've been getting. Got to be careful with this pinpointer. If you put it in, it gets a signal, you bring it out, and it's a bent nail. And then you think, oh, hang on, is there else? And yes, there is. Now, something went sadly amiss with this penny. Look at it, it's gorgeous. 1947, but it's George 6. And the copper they used then, or the bronze, was ridiculous. Must have been one of the last batch, I think. Beautiful coin, absolutely beautiful. Oh, that broke the mould. Oh, well, I'm labouring on. I'm just hoping to find a silver coin. Keeps spitting with rain, and that hurricane is running along the edge there, so but it's going to get here tomorrow, no doubt about it. George 5 penny. 1913. Makes a change. Nice 82 signal. I've been digging up the 60, 67s and getting these clips all the time. Right, I've left the middle field now. I've come into field 3 because there should be something along this hedge. I've got a halfpenny. Just come along now with Squealer, and we got 1892 penny. Victoria. Yeah, Victoria DG. Not bad, not bad condition. Not as worn as a lot. Oh, I thought I saw glimmer silver then, and it's it's a dog tag, look. Bruno. There we go, 19, it's not 83, it can't be 33. George 5, half penny. I've had 3 coins off here, and there should be a lot more. It's an ideal place for courting. It's my only chance of getting silver and gold rings. Oh, teaspoon. I think it's another of these nickel-silver efforts. Oh, the spoon was a silver-plated spoon. I'll give it a little polish. It's got quite a nice little pattern on it. Oh, so they'd get me a little bit of silver. Very nice. Military button. 10-inch down. Squealer located it, and GM power confirmed. I shall have to wash that when I get back. Really, all I can say about this button is it's an ordinary I've seen it thousands of times. It's a British military button, royal coat of arms there, look. Crown on the top, unicorn on one side, lion on the other. A typical British army button. I can't clean it up, unfortunately. Hey, musky ball. Still got the attaching piece on, look. Just come out the mould, never been used. I'm desperate for a bit of silver, so I've come down to this section that I should be doing, but I didn't want to do. And I found a whole load of bloody bottle caps and things, but hey, things are looking up. 1868, Queen Victoria, young head, smooth. Hey, come on then. I think it's a bronze brooch. Or a spoon that's been... No, it's a brooch, is that? Yeah. Oh, we haven't had a coin ball for ages. What's that? That's weird. Weird. Oh my goodness, is it weird? It's either going to be very, very good or it's going to be total rubbish. And I think, by the look of it, it's a piece of bronze. I'll have to clean it up, but at the moment I would put it in the category of total rubbish. There's still a bit of water in the river. Hey, George 5, look, 1936. Right up to the fence in amongst a whole load of junk. Now that's a good one. A little medallion there. I think that's a representation of France. And it says France's Day, 1917. Patronim. I'll look it up on the net. I'm not sure what it is. I think it's bronze. And as I leave this field, my last find is a £2 coin. Oh, good one. All right then. Spendy's money, that. 1999. Okay, I bid you farewell from the horse field. No detecting tomorrow. This hurricane is due to hit. Very strong winds, rain. So it's a compulsory day off tomorrow. Nice here, isn't it? With the hurricane due tomorrow, I thought I better get these fields finished off. So we started in the middle horse field on just a section by the gate that I had avoided because see that lot? They're little bronze clips and they're scattered around like ring pulls. I got 2 ring pulls today. I got fed up of collecting these things. Oh, but they were coming in at 60 to 72. Yeah, you had to pick them up. Again, there's a lot of odds and little ends here because the GM power, it just picks up tiny little things. A weird piece of bronze here. Whoa, my goodness, all of a sudden that looks like a dog's head. or a head of some description. It can't be, that's never an animal's head, is it? My goodness. All those who can see an animal's head go, yay! Right. What do we get then? Hamilton and Sons on Don. It's off agricultural machinery. Hey, look, another arrow. I mean a dart. I'll get them right, yeah. You can't miss these things, can you? Wallop. Right, money. 10p and a £2 coin. Spendies, eh? That's nearly a pint of beer. Halfpennies. Ship. George V. Couple of Vickies this time. In the halfpennies. 1868. That's going back some. And this one here again is a young head. There we go. And the date, I don't think I can get it. No, I can't see a date on that one, but it's young. Pennies. George VI, George V, George V, George V, no, sorry, Victorian. A Vicky, this one here. Oh no, it isn't, it is a George V. 1913. This is the Vicky one here, which came in at again 1893. Is that 1893? But the best of the pennies, funny enough, was the George the George the Sixth. That's not George VI. Yes, it is George VI. Look at it. Usually the horrible bronze just after the war. That must be 19... That's not 1917, that's 1947. Oh my goodness, aren't they hard to read sometimes? Yeah, 47, look. Look at the colour on that bronze, isn't it beautiful? Right, now, strange coins. 1806, halfpenny, George III. And this has got to be Georgian. It's too big to be it's too big to be one of the modern halfpennies. It's got to be Georgian, but just what? They're just worn away too much. The soil there's just not with it. Musket ball, nice one. I thought I'd got two. If we go over here onto the junkite and bring this across, it's very similar, but this is a sort of a light rubbish metal. Is that? It's not lead. That's a musket ball. It's not been trimmed yet. Dog tags, two of them. Doing well for dog tags. And then we'll try this one. This is a bronze bowl for something. I think it's a brooch, but it's beyond me. I don't know what it is. That came off that area that I kept turning my nose up at the other day, saying I don't want to go over there. And then, what has got to be the piece de resistance? This young lady is Marianne, the symbol of France, and the medal is France's Day 1917, and it was made by Fattorini in Bolton, and it was a sort of a British support for the war in France, and it was held on the 14th of July on that year. So they sold these medals and all the money went towards the French. But they're still discernible. So this was actually stamped in 1917, and it's a genuine France's Day medal. So, all in all, where's me silver? No silver, but another very interesting day out. Learned a lot again. Tomorrow the hurricane is due to strike with gale force winds and God knows what, so I will not be detecting tomorrow. The day after I've got lined up to go out with Chris again. It's a secret at the moment. So, happy hunting, and if I can't find the silver, you better find it for me, yeah? Bye.